Welcome to Emmanuel Trending TV. Please, before I start, bring out your pen and paper. In this video, we're going to be discussing the steps you can take to become a professional social media influencer. Identify your niche. It's important to find a topic or industry that you're passionate about and have knowledge of. This will make it easier for you to create content that resonates with your audience. Build your presence. Start by creating accounts on the major social media platforms, such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and use hashtags to increase visibility. Create quality content. The key to success as a social media influencer is to produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This can be in the form of videos, photos, or written posts. Use analytics to your advantage. Use tools like Google Analytics and Instagram Insights to track your growth and engagement. Use these insights to improve your content and target your audience more effectively. Network and collaborate. Reach out to other influencers in your niche and consider collaborating on content. This will help you expand your reach and gain exposure to new audiences. Monetize your influence. Once you've built a significant following, you can start monetizing your influence by partnering with brands, promoting products, and earning sponsored posts. Becoming a professional social media influencer takes time, effort, and dedication. But by following these steps, you can increase your chances of success. And don't forget to subscribe to Emmanuel Trending TV. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share. Turn on the notification bell for more contents like this. In addition, build your personal brand. Your personal brand is what sets you apart from other influencers and makes you unique. Develop a consistent aesthetic and messaging that aligns with your niche and values. This will help you attract the right audience and build trust with your followers. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a sense of community around your content. This will help you build a loyal following and increase engagement. Stay up to date with industry trends. Stay informed of the latest trends and developments in your niche by following industry news and influencers. This will help you create relevant and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Keep learning and experimenting. The social media landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to keep learning and experimenting with new strategies and tactics. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow your influence. Be authentic and true to yourself. Authenticity is key when it comes to building an audience and monetizing your influence. Be true to yourself and your values, and your followers will appreciate the genuine and honest approach. Becoming a professional social media influencer is a challenging but rewarding journey. By following these tips and staying true to yourself, you can build a loyal following and monetize your influence. Remember to always be authentic, stay true to your niche, and to keep creating and engaging with your audience. Happy influencing! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Emmanuel Trending TV.